London, 2035. Imagine waking up to a robot making your coffee, drones zipping by your window delivering groceries, and AI-powered street cleaners clearing your path all before you've even left your flat. Now, pause. Here's a fact that'll blow your mind. 40% of jobs in London could be automated by 2035. Robotics isn't sci-fi anymore. It's now, and the way it's about to reshape your life. It's wild. Stick around, because what you're about to hear will make Black Mirror feel like yesterday's news. This is how robots will completely transform your daily life in London by 2035. Chapter 1. Your morning routine will never be the same. Let's start with your morning. Forget alarm clocks. Your smart home robot assistant will wake you gently, no jarring alarms, just room lighting synced with your circadian rhythm and a custom playlist. By the time you stretch, your clothes are selected, ironed by a robotic valet, and breakfast is cooking tailored to your fitness goals. Oh, and if you're thinking about your electric car, nope, you won't own one. You'll summon an autonomous ride from the nearest charging pod, clean, fast, and waiting for you. Robots will literally choreograph your morning for efficiency. Chapter 2. Shopping, delivered by drones and bots. Say goodbye to grocery runs. London's streets will buzz with autonomous delivery robots, darting between lanes and alleyways, powered by real-time AI traffic mapping. Hungry? No more waiting 45 minutes. Pizza will arrive in 7 fresh out of a robotic oven inside a delivery drone. You'll be tracking your package live on AR glasses. And when your fridge senses you're out of oat milk, it auto-orders. Delivery bots handle the rest. Chapter 3. The robotic revolution at work. Now to the workplace, and here's where things get real. 40% of jobs in London may no longer exist as we know them. From accountants to baristas, robots are taking over repetitive, low-skill tasks, but don't panic. This opens the door for high-skill, creative, and engineering jobs that you can master. Offices will be staffed with digital coworkers, AI assistants that schedule meetings, write reports, even negotiate contracts. And the best part, no more cubicles, work from anywhere. The city becomes your office, with robotic hubs offering plug-and-play workspaces, and even coffee brewed by robot baristas. Chapter 4. At home with robots. At home, the Jetsons won't look so fictional. Your flat will be run by a central AI, sensing every robot to your lifestyle. Robotic pets, already real. Modular bots will clean, cook, and even repair household issues before they become problems. Need more space? Nanotech robots might reconfigure your furniture and walls. And yes, home security, fully autonomous, 24/7s, face-recognizing drones on standby. Chapter 5. City life will feel like sci-fi. Step outside and London will feel like a futuristic city from a Netflix series. From robotic traffic enforcement to autonomous waste removal bots, everything runs in sync. Even emergency services are going robotic, drone ambulances arriving in 3 minutes, robot medics administering first aid before humans even arrive. You'll walk on dynamic sidewalks that reroute foot traffic in real time. Augmented reality glasses guide your route, translated in over 30 languages instantly. And here's a kicker: London's underground. Entirely driverless, with maintenance robots keeping it running 24/7s. Chapter 6. What could go wrong? Let's hit pause. Because all this advancement comes with questions. What happens to privacy when every bot is connected? Could robots be hacked? Will jobs for humans disappear to faster recover? These aren't dystopian questions, they're real. Young Londoners will have to decide. Will you build the future, or just be swept up in it? Because here's the truth, this robotic world needs creative thinkers, tech builders, ethical leaders. People like you. Chapter 7. How to get ahead of the curve. Want to stay relevant? Start now. Learn robotics, dive into AI, get into ethical tech design. This future isn't just for Silicon Valley, it's being built in Shoreditch, Stratford, and South Bank. London's calling for tech leaders, roboticists, futurists. And the earlier you get in, the more impact you'll have. No degree, no problem. Skills matter more than ever. Hackathons, online courses, even robot repair cafes. Opportunity is everywhere. Call to action. By 2035, robotics will be part of everything. Will you be one of the people watching the change or one of the people leading it? Hit subscribe, drop a comment with the robot you'd most want in your daily life, and share this with someone who's still living in 2025. London's future is robotic. Are you ready?